ministers of cabinet, members of the diplomatic corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Tarafula Tarwayo on the Samuel Day of a Latin il va al Tato Malo, ma le Malo Stadia. Il Tayaone, o se Samuel Fomalo Yai, la Mukerua, il Tassinea Tinae, o Maria Malo Stadia, Tatuina, Samuel, se non fa materia tu. Fattono talona more pacificator. I will feel I saw more fatua. Ora monumenta to lava English. I am very pleased to join you all from up here for the launch of the Pacific All Sports Hub, which Samoa is honored to host on behalf of our Blue Pacific region. Like all other countries of the world, sport, defined by our cultures and traditions, has been a central part of our lives since time immemorial. Our histories and colonial past saw the gradual introduction of sports that were adapted to our natural environment and the resources they offered. Sport has become a springboard for social transformation as a gateway to rounded development and as a facilitator for inclusive and responsible citizenship. And as UNESCO's Director General Irina Bolova puts it, sport is a field of dreams and a force for fabulous positive change. We must do everything to harness this power. Not only is sport a bridge between individuals and nations, it can also be an active tool for overcoming stereotypes rising about exclusion and fostering citizenship. Numerous examples of these perceptions can be found in our small island developing states. We value the importance of sport in Samoa. It aids to improve the health status of participants, increases skills development of our youth, reduces social problems, and enhances community cohesion. It provides the opportunities for Samoans to succeed beyond our shores. It boosts national pride when we demonstrate consistent competitiveness against teams from vastly populous and well-resourced countries. It is also a rewarding challenge to demonstrate regional leadership as we did to launch the Pacific Games in 2019 at short notice. For our young people, it is a proven, viable, and successful pathway towards a better future for those that may not be able to every success in its operations, and that Samoa, as host country, is committed to support it in every way possible.